Can you call the things you did this week holy? Ang mga movie, kitanaw nimo, balaan ba? Ang mga videos, kitanaw nimo sa YouTube or Facebook, or Heaven Help Us if you have a TikTok account. Can I just make a statement? If you have a TikTok account, you should delete it today. There is nothing holy on TikTok. Can you tell me one holy? I don't know any pastors who post preaching videos on TikTok, do you? Because men of God don't look at TikTok. Pastor Mike, what's wrong with TikTok? Dili ka kinala ko musulti nimo, kabalo na ka. Why don't you just do right and delete your account and stop looking at garbage? Can you honestly tell me, balaan ang video kitanaw na ko sa TikTok? Ang mga babae, dali kompleto ang ilang saninas, nagsayaw-sayaw. Oh, balaan jud, di ba? Isn't that all TikTok is? Pretty much dancing? Pretty much. I mean, basin na ipipilang nga lain. Ang mga jokes imong gisulti or na kikatawhan karong simana. Balaan ba? Ang imong comments sa Facebook, balaan ba? Ang imong saninas, imong pamiste, balaan ba? It's time for us to stop making excuses and saying, I don't see what's wrong with it. Kinahanglan tama-tana. Balaan ba kini? Does it pass the holiness test? Let me tell you why we lose our passion for God. Nakamusulti ni mo sa rasa, mawala ang atong pagkamainiton para sa Ginoo. Tungod kita maghimong-himo sa mga alibi para sa atong salat diha sa social media. I'm asking, can you call what you're doing holy? Pwede ba ka mo tawag sa imong buha balaan?